What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with the Night Crew. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a light bar, which is going to go right under here. And then we'll be installing some fog lights, which are the LED cubes. They're going to sit just like this. Alright guys, this is the light bar. Oop, let's go with this one. It's gonna sit right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be clean. Alright guys, so this right here goes to the toggle switch. So you're gonna run this through the firewall. Just down in there. And then right here is your hot and ground, so you're just gonna hook it to the hot and the ground, and then this end of the wire is actually gonna go down to where the light bar is, and you're gonna hook it up to the hot and the ground on it. Alright guys, we're just going to save the light bar for tomorrow night. It's getting a little late on us, so we're just going to go ahead and get started on the cube fog lights. Alright guys, we're going to be removing these fog lights, and then I'm going to be mounting the cubes to this bracket, and then we'll mount it to the truck.
Alright guys, so whenever you're mounting this bracket to the pod, you just set this, and you gotta get it just right when you do it. And it'll slide in right here, and it locks it in place once you actually get it going. You just kind of loop it just right to where whenever you get it to catch, that's upside down. I think that's it. It's not too complicated, it's just a matter of this is the hardest part. I think that's it. Maybe. Yeah, that's it. And then it comes with an Allen wrench. All you gotta do is just
Tighten them up.
And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is when you're mounting it, you wanna mount it to where this, the actual whole pod and bracket, is on the inside so that you can twist it. Because on the other one, we mounted it on the outside like this, And when you do that, it makes it to where it can't twist. So when you mount it, you just want to mount it on the inside. And
right there. Yeah.
the easiest way I've figured it out is to do it like this. Get this right here. And these also come with where it locks it in, so you don't have to get, I think it's a 13 mil, and hold it on the inside. Just get it like this. Pull it out. Get it through. This one's actually getting in the way right now. This is not one to work with me.
Can you bend it?
You can actually do this. Get it. I really just need to bend this one. It's already in. Let's retry this. Put this on this side. Makes it a little bit easier because there's more room to work with. I think that's the issue. So we're putting where the wiring comes out, makes it a little bit more room to work with. So I can actually get it in place and then feed the bolt through. Yeah, that's the way I did it. There's the lock. And the bolt. And that's pretty much it. See, now you can twist them side to side, up, down, however you want to do it. All right, guys, for the wiring, you want to make sure you have enough wire out. And then it comes with these little clips. You just want to put all these into here. Each one. And then it comes with this really easy, simple harness to work with, and you just plug it into the hot and the ground on each one.
And this right here just plugs in where your old fog lights used to.
It's very simple, plug and play. Just how we like it. Makes everything a lot easier when you're working with all plug and play.
Yep. That's it.
That's it.
Ready to mount.
All right, as you can see, when you're mounting them, you know, they twist and they turn whenever you do something. So whenever you, like we were saying, you can literally just twist them and get them to go however much you need. Twist backwards. And you can keep playing with them till you get them straight.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for tonight. We got the fog lights in. They look pretty good. And tomorrow we'll get the light bar installed and install some reverse lights and license plate lights. Catch you guys in the morning. Alright guys, next day here, and today we're going to be installing the light bar. It won't go all the way on. Surprise.
I heard that with my ears plugged. I wasn't sure who it was.
There it went.
Alright guys, so right here is where we mounted the bracket for the light bar. This is the frame rail up here at the front. This is where the tow hook would be. And this is what it looks like in here, and we'll show you what it looks like on the outside.
We just cut this right here with a
Yeah.
box cutter.
You can remove this plastic piece. It goes all the way along. It's just a bunch of clips, but we found it easier just to cut a slit right here and just put that bracket through. We ran the wire through right there. We still got to wire it up, but just drilled a hole for that and just the two brackets. All right, guys, this is what it looks like on the outside. It just comes through here. And then we have this separate bracket which mounts to the light bar, and then they bolt together underneath there. Same thing on this side. And then the wire, I don't know if you can tell, it's right there. We just drilled a hole and it goes right through.
Alright guys, it's just the same exact way as the cubes. So you just get it on here.
Gotta cramp it down good.
And then it's gonna plug it in. Just like that. Alright guys, so this is where the toggle switch comes through. So we just got it ran up and under here. But we're gonna tuck it here
just my headlights. This is what it looks like with the fog lights. This is what it looks like with the fog lights and the light bar. So turn off the fogs, and that's just the light bar. Turn off the light bar, back to just the headlights, all the way off, just the light bar.
Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.